Well, here we are back at Dan's place, and we're going to do a couple things here. We're going to get the dishwasher installed. We're going to get a few little cabinet touches, finishing touches done on the cabinets. And we thought we were showing up for the floor. The floor is already done. That's a project for Mondays, so stay tuned. Cool. Oh, it's the wrong bit, Lindsay. So,
I don't know where that little piece is.
We're looking for those little pieces there, huh? We got these little short pieces here. We need to kind of figure out where everything goes. This one here looks like it went to the floor, but it wasn't used. Yeah. It's just a hand. I got two of them. Hang on. One more. So our main purpose here is we're getting everything put back together. All the cabinets that were taken out, we're trying to reattach them. And the important thing is that they go back how they came out, which is not always the easiest thing to do. So we're doing a little bit of, I'm gonna have to take those screws back out and lift the cabinet a little bit, because as it turns out, this scribe molding is not quite fitting the gap up there. So I think I didn't feel like it hitting. Oh, that's perfect. Actually, yeah, let me see that. So, looks to me like they put that in at an angle. The screw was in reverse. Yeah, so this was bad carpentry to begin with. That nail is in the old hole. That's where it was nailed.
I don't know.
There it is. Finally sucked it in. Oh. Oh.
We need Phillips.
Yeah, got it. This. Yeah, we're gonna need a drill hole. Probably the biggest paddle bit we have. Okay, so here's a pro tip. Whenever you're drilling a hole for the supply and the drain lines and the power cord for your dishwasher, drill it up as high as possible. So that, and the reason being, you want this drain line to come up high before it goes down low. And that way, if you're using a garbage disposal or even like a regular drain, it doesn't backfeed into the dishwasher. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to
Construction pencil.
What next?
We're gonna fasten this
Yes.
to the top of this because safety hazard. My kids were jumping up and down on this. It could, well, not under the.
You want to eliminate. So we got two small screws here, and we're going to put them right up there. Let's see how this works.
I've dropped screws down in that thing before.
Have you really?
Yes. On my dishwasher.
Okay, and then we just need one more over here. And all right, we're gonna try another pro tip here. You having a hard time getting that little tiny screw to stay on the tip? That's because we need a pilot hole. I'm just gonna use this drywall screw. We're just gonna make a little pilot hole. And we're gonna try this again. Voila!
This is what we're talking about right here.
So now it's good and solid. Now you got a couple screws in there, right?
Yep.
Good job.
Nice and fastened.
Now we'll take that off. We don't need that. Where's that dishwasher line?
So we're gonna need a small crescent.
Yeah, small crescent wrench. Oh boy. All right, get that puppy tightened down. And all right. Now, after each and every time we hook one of these up, we want to test it. That's an absolute must. I'm going to run it through a full cycle, make sure we got no leaks. Now we start this puppy. We're going to go normal wash.
Quick rinse. Keeps the water up for quite a while before it starts.
Oh, well, and it also helps if you turn the water on. We'll get a place set up in the
Bueno.
Alright, so I can pretty much nail anywhere. Dad nabbit. Boy, what's the chances of that going right in between?
This is your luck.
Needs to mark it in place. Quarter round can be tricky. And then what I like to do, all right, hang on. We're gonna go like that. So Oh, I'll bet. All right, looks like you did it. That's perfect seam, but we're gonna mark. Okay. Oh, too bad.
My angle's wrong on one side, but
Oh man, I just muffed it up big time. Film, you don't have to put everything on there that you do. Very stupid move. Just enough.
tears.
All right, well, that's a wrap for today. We're gonna pick our tools up, and you be sure to join us on the next one.